Hey, what's nature to y'all? Nature is pretty much where we live, but nature could be scary as well. Example, there's usually storms around, hurricanes, tornadoes, tsunamis. It could destroy dozens of lives. But what does it take to save or to protect nature as it can? But some people still destroy it no matter what, especially when they're littered. They put trash everywhere on the ground, but they never throw it away. Especially like cans, paper. They never recycle them. Like why? Really? There's times where we just cut trees down. For what? For more buildings? For papers? Pencils? Firewood? Seriously. But this is what we do. This is the generation that we live in. We cut trees, save life. We make houses out of woods back then. We still do. Even mostly we still have bricks. But for what? You just need a house to live in. Really. We cut grass from time to time, almost every single week, at least like once a week or twice. We plant our trees, plant our flowers, like we make our little garden to make it gorgeous. Because nature is not just scary. You just need to find the beauty, what's inside of it, than what's outside. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, smash the like button, comment a topic of a poem that you want me to do, or comment anything that if you like. If you are my viewers, press the subscribe button. It'll be right there under my videos. And if you already subscribed to my channels, press the bell button to receive all my notifications and for my upcoming videos. Or maybe I might do a live stream. Who knows? And don't forget guys, be true to you.